Lovely. Martin keeping himself entertained.
Yes?
What is this?
This is a feeding schedule.
For?
Anacondas.
I'm gonna just say pretty big flowers.
Really big flowers.
Really big flowers. Give them nice and big and plump.
Big and plump, huh?
So pretty much it's assuming full weeks.
Damn, dude, there's a big ass bird that dropped a piece of shit on your car.
Oh, dude, we were shooting them with BB guns. And I think they were like, fuck this guy. We all just shot like that once and all fell right there. That was a huge dump. You didn't see it before I washed it off.
You tried washing it off? Damn.
Yeah, that was huge.
There's the Oregon Trail, didn't you? Evan's in a pissed ass mood because he didn't get his nuts today.
Nope, no nuts today.
What kind of nuts were those, Evan?
Honey roasted cashews.
Honey roasted nuts. Like I was saying. Cashews. Now it's cashews.
Same cashews, dude. And honey roasted peanuts.
I got you honey roasted peanuts. Right over there, next to you, Martin.
Yeah, they didn't want peanuts. Too small. Just like
I mean, I don't feel comfortable with you talking about my nuts. At all.
Dad does it all the time.
Talking about my nuts? I don't feel comfortable about you talking about nuts and my girlfriend talking about my nuts either.